Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Today I am going to share an excellent healthy idli recipe. These idlis are high in fiber, protein and are nutrient dense. These idlis are gut friendly and best gluten-free alternative to rice idlis. It provides sustained energy due to complex carbs and also helps in bone strengthening. It keeps your tummy full for a longer time. Hence, these idlis are one of the best alternative in your weight loss journey. So, without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a bowl, I am adding 1 cup of black urad dal to make it a more fiber rich and nutrient dense. You can also use plain urad dal instead of black one. Then add 1 tablespoon of methi seeds. Now add some water. Wash it once and drain the water. Now add some water again and soak it for about 5 to 6 hours. Now I am going to add this soaked and rinsed dal into the blender jar. Add some water into it. Close it with a lid and grind it into a smooth batter. Now keep this batter aside. This is fine Jowar Idli rava. So here I have already soaked 3 cups of this Jowar Idli rava for about 1 hour. So rinse it well and drain the water. Here I have added the soaked rava into the batter. Now I am going to mix this well. Mix the batter well from all the sides. I have already added salt at the time of grinding the dal. You can also add salt at this point of time. Now keep it covered and let it ferment overnight. The next morning, see the lacy texture and the air gaps in between. This lacy texture indicates that the batter is perfectly fermented. Now mix the batter gently in only one direction to release the air bubbles. Once it is mixed, then we are going to fill this batter into the idli molds. Now take idli mold and fill it with the prepared idli batter. Remember, fill it with sufficient quantity of the batter to avoid spillage of the batter while steaming. Add 2 cups of water into the idli steamer. Then place the filled idli molds into the steamer, close it with a lid and steam it for 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame. After 10 minutes, see the idlis are well cooked. Now remove the idlis from the molds and place it in a serving plate. Here I am serving it with soft and creamy raw coconut chutney. See how soft and spongy the idlis are. Now our super healthy, power-packed, bone-strengthening, protein and fiber-rich, calcium-loaded Millet Muscle Idlis are ready to serve. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, share this to your friends and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.